Hi to my new and permanent viewers, Stacy goes with you. The spring-summer period is a miracle, a period of farewell to school and accordingly school graduation parties, which are so romantic and unforgettable. So now I'll show you how to do a makeup for prom in the color of Marsala. So let's go! I have decided not to waste time on applying the base and contouring. They are already on my face. If you want to recall how I do this, watch my previous videos. I show this practically in all of them. And I will immediately start the makeup from the eyes. There will be many shades of shadows today, and all of them are so beautiful. This is Marsala. So firstly I will use light shadows. I put them for the eyelids. Now reddish ones. Oh, I like red color so much. It's a color of energy, passion, inspiration, and for others perhaps aggression. It's so multifaceted and bright. I will put shadows in the middle of the eyelids. Now I'll take light brown shadows. But brown color is a symbol of earth, stability, femininity for me. I put light brown shadows on the upper fold of the eyelids and into the outer corner of the eye. And next I apply burgundy ones. I put them for the eyelids. That is the power of will, depth. And Marsala is like a combination of all the above mentioned color in one. Not quite red, not quite burgundy, slightly brownish and even violet. Such a mix of shades and emotions. And in general brightness, depth, and elegance at the same time. I have dark hair and brown eyes, so Marsala suits me. Probably that's why I like it so much. If you are a black or brown haired person, this color will also suit you. But to whom I'm telling this, if you have a prom coming this year, then you have probably considered all possible options and have precisely chosen what is exactly yours and what will emphasize your individuality most of all. And in the meantime, I'm coming back to the brown color. Only now I use dark brown shadows. I'll put them in the outer corner of the eye and in the lower fold of the eyelids, and only a little bit in the upper fold. To put the lower fold of the eyelids and the outer corner of the eye with black shadows. Then I'm blending everything and making the transition between the red and darker shadows.
Why am I supposed to care? Why am I supposed having verticals moons out?
Why
here such a liquid burgundy color, and in the fashion world it is known as the NYX shadows in the color of Marsala. They are with sparkles, so I'm putting them to the middle of the eyelid. Marsala is a very stylish and deep color, especially popular this season. Sometimes I hear that it suits only to older women. As for me, it's a complete nonsense. With the makeup in the color of Marsala, any young girl can look stylish if she skillfully and harmoniously combines it in her look. Now I need to put white shadows with sparkles in the inner corner of the eye. I reminded you a little bit the symbolic of colors, and of course I cannot help but mention this year trends. Don't think that this makeup in the color of Marsala will suit only to such a dress as mine, also the same color. It is just one of the options. This season, natural and lightweight fabrics are in fashion. Therefore, dresses of pastel and delicate colors such as peach, pink or purple will be the perfect option. In this case, the bright Marsala makeup combines with them perfectly. And yet, dresses of saturated blue or classic red colors would be a good choice. Then I put mascara. Please note that I use my mascara almost always, even when I attach the false eyelashes to enhance the effect. Before it, I paint my eyelashes with mascara, since you cannot do this after attaching the false eyelashes. By the way, a little advice. After painting the eyelashes, look down for a while. Then mascara is unlikely to flow and will not make the eyelids dirty. Otherwise, it can complicate the process of attachment of false eyelashes. Then you'll have to clean the dirt and try not to damage the glue at the same time. To avoid these unnecessary difficulties, use this tip. The next step is putting a blusher. And after that I will apply light shadows with sparkles, which I use as a highlighter, on the cheeks, nose, in the fold, under the upper lip. And while I'm doing this, a few words about this year's fashionable styles of dresses. Leave extra on reserve for some other event. In 2018, evening dresses of decent length, without extra excesses and nakedness, are in fashion. The only thing that can be left open to emphasize a slim figure is the back or shoulders. The main thing is not everything at the same time. And of course, take into account the peculiar features of your figure. You will also look stylish and original if you wear a long skirt and a crop top, or choose an asymmetrical cut dress. And in general, guided by the rule minimalism, restraint and elegance, you will certainly not make any mistakes. I hope this information will be useful to those who have not made their choice of graduation outfit yet. My lips should be especially expressive and attractive today. Therefore, firstly I paint the contour of my lips with a brush, and then I paint them inside. And the last, final finishing step is the false eyelashes. That's all, my beautiful girls. It seems that now we are ready for this exciting event, graduation party. And all the guys will be ours. I mean yours. I'm not going anywhere. I wish you to remember this evening for a long time. Enjoy the moment, have fun and share the impressions and photos at the end. Today I showed you how to make a makeup for graduation party in the color of Marsala. Be always in the trend, sweethearts, and be with me for that. Put a like if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!